What is Bitcoin? So to begin, let's start by addressing the question, what exactly is Bitcoin? When it's talked about in the media, Bitcoin is generally referred to as a type of digital or virtual currency. While this definition of Bitcoin is correct, it's also a pretty incomplete one. At its most basic level, Bitcoin is a computer protocol. If you're not familiar with computer protocols, they are basically sets of rules that govern how information is transferred between computers. This protocol allows independent computers across the internet to link together to form a decentralized network. What's unique about the Bitcoin protocol is that decades of research into cryptography have culminated in a way to send digital information in a manner that is safer and more secure than ever before. We'll explore the technical components of how Bitcoin accomplishes this a little later in the course. But for now, we want to paint a clearer picture of what this decentralized network does and why it's important. The most practical way to think about Bitcoin is to envision it as an internet-wide distributed ledger.